10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Right Henry slalom, 4 bills, merges clear. And we're going to go for a bus stop on the right. Square right, left and left. Keep it over at the left, we're going to go square right. I'm going to over the right and open left and left. And we're going to go square right again. Square right. You know, open hairpin left and open hairpin right. Open hairpin right and open hairpin left again. Square right. Keep it right for a bus stop on the right. Keep them right, we're going to go square left and square right. Square left around the arrow. Square right, Ruben. Keep it going, and we're going to go hairpin left around the bill. Medium left, into a bus stop on the right. I'm going to go keep him right. I'm going to bear on the left into a square right and square right again, caution gravel. Chicane, left Henry, 3 bills. Sharp right. I'm going to go medium left and medium right. And I'm going to go right and left. Right, I mean left and right. Right and left. And I'm going to go medium left. Medium right around the building, into a bus stop on the right. Around the right. I'm going to go square right around the fence. Up to the square left. Keep him right at the split. And I'm going to go square right. And square right again into a bus stop. Square right. hairpin left around the bail. Square right around the arrow. Square right again around the arrow. Merge is clear. Right Henry slalom. 4 bales. We're going to bust up on the right. Keeping over at the left, we're going to go square right. Keep going round to the right, we're going to go open hairpin left. Square right. And square right again. Keep going. Hairpin left around the bail. And hairpin right. And hairpin left around the bail. I'm going to go square right. Keep it right for another square right. Then we'll bust them. Keep going with the right, we're going to go square left. And square right. I'm going to go open square right. Keep it going down to the bottom, I'm going to go hairpin left around the bail. Medium left. And we'll bust up on the right. Keeping over to the right. Bad to the left, then we're going to go square right on the gravel. Square right. And chicane left entry, 3 bales. Sharp right. And a medium left and a medium right. We're going to go right and left. And I'm going to go left and right past the building. Right and left. Going to go medium left. And medium right around the building. Then we'll bust up on the right. Square right, around the arrow, following the fence lane. Up the top, we're going to go square left, keeping left for the split. And finish. Well done, Neil.
Fair play was driving quick at the end there.